Hello, we are here for our virtual tour in the kitchen of our friend Wencislao Salazar.
Hi, I'm Wences. We're trying to make Tiradito. Tiradito it's a kind of ceviche and it has Japanese influences. So it's raw fish with lemon. It's almost the same base of ceviche and nothing. You need fresh fish. We got this. We don't know what's the name in English. Cabrilla. You only need fresh fish and that's all. No? The white one, the firm kind of, and nothing. We are going to make the juice for the tiradito, and ceviches and tiraditos are made in a base of a juice of lemon, salt, and some spices. So we call here tiger milk, leche tigre, because it's very powerful. Some people say got magic properties or something. It's delicious, that's all. So we are going to cut the fish right now. We are going to take apart the ends of the fish, and we are going to put them on a bowl. Okay, now for the sauce. We're going to cut a little bit of onion to put some flavor here. And we're going to put here for the sauce. We got the small pieces of the fish that nobody wants. Onion, celery, a little bit of coriander. I'm going to put a little bit more. Something. Then we are going to put some salt. Here you put more or less a good amount of salt. Then we are going to put some ginger. Don't worry about to put it because you're going to strain it. So you use your knife like this and to get the juices. Because then we are going to smash this. So we have this, and we need something spicy. Ceviches and tiraditos are kind of hot, so we're putting with all the seeds a little bit of this. Yeah, it's not gonna be very, very hot. This is they call ají limo. This is kind of, gourmet thing, no? You don't need to do that. You could use water, that's all. So this is fish stock. I'm gonna put here. Then some pepper. I'm gonna add some pepper, a little bit of salt. Don't worry to use black pepper because you are going to strain this. And then now it's happened again, the magic. I got this to smash the thing, but you could use a beer bottle, for example, no, to smash all the stuff. Yeah, I use when I go to a place. So you smash that thing. The thing that you need to obtain is, then I'm going to show you. I like to do this sauce like an hour. For example, if I'm going to make a lunch, this is the first thing I do, and then I make the other main course, and then I put it on the fridge to wait. Now we are chopping the coriander. We use even the stems. So coriander is for perfume and for decoration too, no? But they give you the flavor. This thing has a lemon flavor, so try it. Not a lot of people eat the stems, but it's very good. In the Asian cuisine, they use a lot of cuisine. And then we got pieces of the chili. We're gonna chop it like very, very small. We take out all the seeds and all the veins because are very hot, and we don't like very, very hot food.
What's the name of this pepper?
Limo, ají limo. In the Mexican food, it's like the habanero chili. It's more like this. This has more lime perfume, but you could use habanero chili. It is good. Okay, guys, we are back. 10 minutes. So I need you to watch this. So if you see the protein, the fish is almost looks like cooked. It's like seared. It's raw inside, but it's cooked outside, just with the lemon and the salt that we put in our juice. It looks like stock, no? Like soup. Now we're going to do now we're going to strain it to avoid all the pieces that we don't like. It's enough. So that's easy. That's tiger milk. People take this for hangover, to have twins, got magic. Now we got a little drink because there's no ceviche without a drink. You could eat a beer. Right now we are drinking some cider that my wife gave to us, but it's always happens. Ceviche is always happens.
The big moment.
The big moment. If we die, please. No, nobody's going to die for that. It's very, very healthy. Okay, you have to try a little bit of everything. So, for example, this, and then like this, and some juice, and enjoy it.
Let's see.
A lot of flavor, very good. Very happy. It's very fresh.
It is. And it's a bit sweet and a little bit spicy, but
Yeah.
not too much. With the lime.
All the flavors there. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're waiting for you.
Thank you,
Right.
Francis. This was great.